Hello there, welcome to Famety YouTube channel. Today we will take a look at the Famety Pinterest Video Downloader tool. Pinterest Video Downloader is a great way to save your favorite videos from Pinterest in different formats. This tool is designed to help you save inspiring or educational videos for offline viewing. In just a few easy steps, copying the video link and pasting it into the downloader, you can save the video. Whether you're looking for a way to save creative ideas or memorable moments, a Pinterest Video Downloader can help. This allows you to access your favorite content anytime, anywhere, even without an internet connection. Moreover, it ensures that your saved videos remain available whenever you need them for personal or professional use. That's it. Try it now and start seeing results in no time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.